Hi everyone and welcome to FXDD live trading webinar. Today it's March 5 and we will have a live trading as usual. My name is Nenad and before I start, let me give you a quick disclaimer explaining that Forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for everyone. Please have in mind that everything you see and hear is my personal opinion only. Also, educate yourselves on the risks associated with Forex trading, and if you're in doubt, seek an advice from an independent financial or tax advisor. On these web addresses, sign up for more webinars, live trading, and live analysis. So we are ready to start, and let's roll the ball. So first of all, if you have any questions regarding trading setups, do not hesitate to ask me. I will provide you with answers, also with other analysis if you are not sure where other pairs will go. This is my live trading account, and basically this is we started with 10,000. Now it's 10,760, and we are actually waiting for the setup. I'm trading my own method that I have personally created. It's called Camarilla MACD. Okay. So let's scan for some pairs. We already see movement. So far, we had mostly wins, like 90% of our trade setups were wins. But as I say always, guys, price and everything in life needs to be in equilibrium. So even if we don't have always winning trades, it's good that we are actually on the winning side, and that is easily reflected on this live FXDD account. Okay, let's start with scan. I don't see currently. Maybe there will be another possibility to trade, let's say, the euro dollar, but price needs to pull back towards 1350, and then we might have actually a short trade. However, if we see that price is hitting 1290, this zone here, and makes a reversal pattern, we might go for a counter trend because trend is currently to the downside. Okay, I will scan also other pairs. Euro yen. Yeah, we had a trade today on euro yen, but it closed only for 18 pips. So I'm not sure that I would like to trade again because now the price is making some deeper pullbacks below the middle Bollinger Band line. So I would rather wait. I have a signal also on CAD Swissy here. Let's see what it says. Yeah, basically, CAD Swissy should actually drop from this spot. This is too much to the downside. So again, I would rather wait for the price to make a U-turn. On the contrary, dollar CAD is still it's bullish, but it's still within some mini range here. So I would rather skip this one. Velislav is asking about New Zealand dollar. Let's see if we have a setup on New Zealand dollar. I will gladly trade it. But of course, guys, always watch for your system and analysis. I'm religiously following my own method. So yeah, you see, the trade has already happened here at this spot. This was the signal to go short, perfect short from Camarilla MACD. But now you see I'm currently running basically with a trend method, not counter trend. So I would like to see a pullback before we actually make a new entry. And so New Zealand dollar is bearish, but I don't see any signal at this point. So I would rather wait for the signal to actually show up. Okay, let's see. Let's scan CAD Swissy Australian dollar yen. The Australian dollar yen might also be interesting for us. Let's see what it says. Ranging mode on Australian dollar yen. Again, nothing special to be traded here. Euro GBP. Yeah, this was the switch. Obviously, now the pair is making a breakthrough. It could go actually up. It's slowly switching to uptrend. This was the signal for short trades. Again, my Camarilla MACD method. Euro New Zealand, you see the price going up from 66.15 10, 15, and now it's already, wow, 70 pips to the upside. So unfortunately, I didn't trade today this setup, but it was great. And it happened right at midnight. So for Tokyo traders, this would be extremely useful. Let's see if we have something to trade. I'm scanning through all the pairs, and if I find something, definitely I will open the trade here on this live account. Yeah, still the price is ranging. We definitely need to wait. GBP dollar made a yeah, now it's a pullback time. So I would short if the price gets to 32. So it's still a bit low. You see the signal here, 4 a.m. This was like a bit early for us European traders. DAX is strongly bullish, and yeah, the price is rejecting. So 2 hours ago we could have made a long trade here. Euro Australian dollar, yeah, I might take this one. I might take this one on this account. Small trade, Euro Australian dollar. I already closed in profits, but this looks like it could go more to the upside. I would open a small trade here. Very low risk, guys, on this account. Let's see. Okay, 0 point. Okay, new order. Yeah, it's like it looks like I'm a bit stuck. Let's see the euro dollar again. Okay. Not Bitcoin. Wait, I might. Okay, it looks like. Wait. It's going down now. It's going down now. So I would probably skip this one. Just give me a few seconds to see something. Yeah, the price is still in a heavy range. So I'm not sure that I would actually open it right now, because the price made a spike. It made 40 pips before pulling back. Then it made 28 pips. You see, this is the range. So price, and look this, head and shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder. So yeah, this looks like shoulder, head, shoulder. Yeah, it could drop. I would skip this trade, guys. I would skip this one. Definitely, I would skip this one. Yeah, it was like I almost opened a trade, but I would definitely skip this one. I don't like how it looks. Really, it looks a bit rangy. So let's wait. But then again, we might have setups, guys. Mark these levels on your chart. If they happen maybe in next couple of hours, I would go first with euro dollar. Euro dollar. This is euro dollar zone. Watch for reversal patterns between 1350 and 1358 for short trades. If the price drops here between 1299 and 1287, watch for reversal patterns. So for this, you need to watch for bullish reversal. For this, you need for bearish reversal. For this, you need to watch bullish reversal for counter trend trades, because definitely this looks like it could open. It could actually start a move if for a counter trend here between 1275 and 1287. Short trades between 1350 1358. Also, I'm interested in GBP dollar. This move, if this is a retracement, it already started. This is a hammer of support, daily L5, ATR confluence. So the move has already started. I would go short here within these numbers, 3202, 3226. So this is the confluence zone. If short trades happen, I would wait for the price to get into this zone. Okay, see here in this zone, we need to wait for the price to pull back and then make a potential short trade. The question, Euro CAD double top with divergence. Let's see the Euro CAD indeed. Euro CAD double top. Yeah, there is a double top indeed. Let me just quickly check the news if we have any news here. Yeah, obviously there will be some dollar news and Australian dollar news. But then again, we need a confirmation. We need a close below this trend line for counter move to happen. Also, Velislav, there is support here at 50.50. So we need to wait to see how big the candle will be if the price breaks this trend line, then short it towards 50.50, and if it breaks 50.50, 50.27 is the final target. So here from this spot, we need to be very, very careful. Only if the price closes below the trend line, we might actually get a short trade, okay? So watch for this, short below 50.89. Only then you might go for a counter trend, putting the stop above 51.24. This is what I would actually do if I were trading right now in this moment, and do not risk more than, well, 1%. I think I always follow my risk management rules because the risk management is holy grail of trading. You need to be very, very, very clear with the risk, okay? Euro New Zealand making up move, inverted head and shoulders pattern, two signals that haven't gone in profit, but now obviously this signal at 12 o'clock went into a nice profit. So yeah, I mean, this would be a nice trade if we had it. The Australian dollar also, guys, for the Australian dollar, for new shorts, I would wait for a bigger pullback between 71.10 and 71.15. This also looks like the price could correct from this spot. Euro GBP, a potential long trade around 75.87, between 87 and 77. GBPN, we obviously are in a potential counter trend mode. So only if the price gets here around 147.60, watch for reversal patterns between 147.60 and 147.90. Reversal pattern might actually give you a short trade. Dollar CAD, it needs to pull back at least towards 32.67, 32.50, and then make a bullish reversal pattern. So obviously at this spot, the price is either making a bigger drop or bigger spike, and there are no pullbacks. And it's always when you are, guys, when you take trend trades, you need to actually wait for a retracement. For uptrend, you need to buy the dip. For a downtrend, you need to sell the rally. But either way, you need to have a pullback. Without a pullback, you would be actually jumping into a freight train, and that is not good. So you always need to have a pullback before going in a trend mode. If you have any questions, guys, let me just ask me. I don't see that dollar yen. Yeah, it's going up actually. So nothing on this side now. It's already going up. This is inverted head and shoulders. So I think the dollar yen could easily go to 112.40, 112.30, 40. Then you might go for counter trend trades. But this is strong uptrend, and you see the price is going up. Euro yen dropping. Obviously, this was the last potential signal here, and now it could actually make a deeper pullback towards 126.40. It should actually stay above 126.20 if it wants to be bullish again, because below this price, the price might make some sort of bigger correction on higher time frames, 4 hours especially. So it needs to stay above this level, ideally above this order block, 126.30. So you see the price is making now some sort of a pullback. But yeah, we are waiting. So we don't have anything now to trade. Well, it happens. All these pips have been made on live trading here, through live trading on our FXDD account. Here we started with 10,000. Now it's 10,761. You can always follow our webinars and our trades on FXDD YouTube channel. It's already, guys, being recorded, and it will be uploaded after I finish with this. So all these setups that I've been mentioning, mark it down on your charts. And if you see that price is going within these zones, you might actually opt for a trade if you're interested to follow, of course, my trading ideas. As I already said, everything you see here is my personal opinion only. Okay, yeah, euro, Australian dollar, you see it's dropping. I was quite right about this. On 1 hour time frame, you see the price is ranging. It looks like it made some sort of head and shoulders. This is constricting triangle, and constricting triangle is actually a sign of consolidation. After consolidation, there should be a breakout, but before the consolidation, you need to have a clear momentum in the trend direction. And now we are actually lacking momentum because the price cannot break this mini trend line or upper trend line of this constricting triangle. So only if the price breaks and closes above this upper trend line, I might say, okay, now it's time to go long, targeting 60.80 as the final target. And one more thing, guys, regarding someone asked me about DAX 30 today. So yeah, I would say like this: DAX 30 is bullish, but if you watch 4 hour time frame, you can see that even 4 hour candles are a bit indecisive. Okay, how to trade this? Only if the price closes above this mini trend line here. Actually, I would go with this trend line because for me it's more valid than this one. You see, if the price closes above this trend line on 4 hour time frame, you might get another spike to the upside, targeting 1177.30 and 1171.13.73. But if it doesn't happen, guys, watch for a 4 hour close below this trend line here. Actually, this is a confluence spot here. Okay, so if the price makes a close below 1155.3.90, then there will be a bearish movement. Your final target is 11.441. So watch for this. This is important if you trade DAX. Once more, trend line here, clear trend line, okay, an upper trend line, 4 hour time frame. If the price closes above this top here, it should be another bullish move towards 1166.80. 66A, sorry, and 11,707. Try to protect your profits once the price breaks here. How I do it? I scale out, put the rest to break even +1. If the price breaks below 11.55.3, that will be a signal for a potential short trade, targeting 11.43.9. Also, you should, in my opinion, protect your profit around 11.476. because this is also important support. So this is how you trade DAX. Regarding gold, also quick update. Gold, as I already explained, this is bearish market now. I would go for a short trade on a reversal candle pattern around 1297.35 and 1300.74. So this could be, if the price makes a pullback, this is the zone for taking short trades. So pay attention to it, guys, okay? This is also important. So these are my trading ideas. I haven't made any live trade call during this session, live entry actually, because price needs to make a pullback for us in order to make an entry. But again, mark these levels that I mentioned on your chart and see if they happen. It should be valid until tomorrow morning. If something happens, feel free to pull a trigger if you want, but then again, try to put the maximum caution. I always try to trade with lower risk. My risk per trade is in between 0.5 and 3% per trade. I don't go above 5% because then I would be in danger zone. I hope that you enjoyed the webinar. We have scanned through many pairs. Hope that we will have some entry soon, maybe next hour. If not, I'm waiting for you for my next live training session. And of course, once more, guys, don't forget to sign up on these web addresses for more webinars, live education, and unique trading methods. Until then, have a great day and talk to you soon. Cheers, guys, and trade safe.